Decided to put the chicken right back in the coop with the rest of the chickens because I don't think her problem is like some kind of a virus infection. It's just like a simple, basic sort of like food's kind of in the wrong spot, and I'm poopy. I'm not, getting the stuff out problem, and she kind of, I put her down. She kind of walked right into the coop. So I ended up putting a little bit of the antibiotic, and I put some of the vinegar in the water, kind of get her going, or get the rest of the chickens, just in case there's any other issues with other chickens. But she seems like she's moving around. So sometimes they just kind of figure things out, or maybe the moving, the massaging of the crop area kind of moved that food that was kind of in the blockage, so it could now get into the gizzard. And look, she is trying to peck at stuff already. Man, that's awesome. What a great morning. Gosh, I didn't think I was going to deal with this morning, but that's this life. You don't know what you're going to deal with half the time, but it's amazing.